Remy Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and now we'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at BTC USDT and SHIBA USDT charts analysis. If you've been following up this channel and the analysis I've been doing right here, thank you very much for following up, and if you've been taking advantage of it, please comment below. So thank you very much guys for supporting the channel. Right now I do a video last week and I talk about this very strong support level, and that if you see the market coming to this strong support level, that there will be a very high tendency for the market to go back up, because this level was very strong and I pointed that out in my previous video. You see, this is a strong resistance level. We see another one here. We see another strong resistance here that becomes support at this point. Now, the reason why I said that is because this was a rejection candle. So when markets come to this area, I expect a rejection as well. And then if market come to this level, we see another rejection at this very point with this bullish candle at this point. If you take all this into consideration, you see the market bounce back up from this level. And I also talk about this very particular area as a resistance to the market, because this was also a very strong level as well. Right now, Bitcoin have done the same thing as analyzed in my previous video. What is your expectation? Have you taken a trade already? Because I talked about, if you see a closing price reversal candle, this is one, and this is another closing price reversal candle as well, that you should take a trade. Are you already in the trade? If you are there, congratulations. Before I go into today's video and what you should look out for, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel Remy Trade. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. I see something that looks like a head and shoulder pattern. That is, in this case, an inverse head and shoulder pattern. If you look at here, you see a little bit of shoulder here, you see a head at this point, and then a shoulder here as well. So market potentially go back up. Now, what are you looking out for right now? If you've taken a trade already, then that means you should be in profit. At this point, it was a potential entry, and if you did, you should be in profit already. This is another closing price reversal candle. If you take a trade at this point as well, you should be in profit already. We are seeing Bitcoin going up, and I am very still much bullish on BTC. If I draw this trend line from here to this area, so this trend line right now, you know, this was a strong resistance level, resistance here, support here, which is also resistance at this point as well. So I am expecting the market to go up. A potential drop down to the markets and it cross this line will mean that this very strong support level will hold the market to go back up. Please, if you see the market break this support level, it's going to be a very massive down to about $60,000 price. Okay, so once you see a breakdown of this strong support level, then Bitcoin will potentially go back down. But right now, Bitcoin is up again at this point, and this resistance level is holding it right now. Across of this level, if it break off this level right here, that means we're going to see this very point at this level. This price level of $68,000 will hold the price of Bitcoin to go back down again before we see the next move in the market. So right now, that's what I'm expecting on Bitcoin. SHIBA INU USDT here, guys. If you look at these charts, I'm seeing something that looks good right now on SHIBA. Okay, we are already in a consolidation period, which is on the trend line that we drew some days ago. So right now you see this was resistance here, resistance at this point, resistance, and market break the resistance slightly at this point and come back to this resistance level as well. If you look at this chart right now, you see this is a consolidation level at this point. Now, if markets move up with a strong bullish candle, which can either be a bullish engulfing pattern, or we can either see a closing price reversal candle as well, then market is going to hit here first before we see a slight retracement, and then the next target I am expecting hit this very level. But right now, Shiba Inu have given a sign of the bulls right in at the corner, willing to push the market right up. So what we want to see next is a slight move in volume, then that will confirm our entry at this point. So if you started holding Shiba right now, it is a good time to start holding. At this point, it was a good time. This area as well will be a good time, but wait for the market to move a little bit to the upside with a bullish candle from this very level of consolidation before you take a trade. Mind you, you have to understand that if Shiba Inu drops down and break this strong support level, then we are going to see this very target right there down. So a breakout on this strong support level will bring Shiba Inu back down to this very point, but that is not what I'm expecting right now in the market. I'm expecting a slight move into this zone, then after this slight move that will make an increase in volume, then the market will move here to the first target, retrace back down to this resistance become support, and the market will potentially go back up right here. So I am expecting Shiba Inu to move up to this area, then retrace back down, and then the next move to this area as well. So this is exactly what I'm expecting in the next coming days. Now things look good here, consolidation area, which means market is gathering momentum for the next move. So that is what I am expecting on Shiba